Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home. Fidelity's latest forecast on Bitcoin has been making waves in the crypto space, and for good reason. They're predicting mass adoption by 2025. Now, you might be thinking, wait a minute, isn't this just another hype cycle? But hear me out, folks. According to Carlota Perez's theories, we're seeing a classic case of a technological disruptor gaining mainstream traction. Perez's work on the technological singularity theory suggests that as our technology becomes more advanced, it starts to create its own feedback loops, leading to an exponential increase in adoption. And that's exactly what Fidelity believes is happening with Bitcoin. They're not saying it's going to be an overnight sensation, but rather they're predicting a gradual shift towards widespread acceptance. So, what makes Fidelity think this? Well, for starters, they point to the growth of institutional investment in Bitcoin. We've seen some major players like MicroStrategy and Square jumping on board, and that's sending a signal to the market that Bitcoin is becoming more legit. Plus, with the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, we're seeing more and more mainstream applications for cryptocurrencies. Now, I know what you're thinking, but isn't this just another bubble waiting to burst? And yeah, there are always risks involved when investing in Bitcoin. But here's the thing, Fidelity isn't predicting a price surge anytime soon. They're talking about a fundamental shift in how we think about money and financial systems. And that's where things get really interesting. According to Perez, this type of disruption is often driven by a small group of innovators who see an opportunity for change. And if you look at the Bitcoin community, there are plenty of people out there who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain tech. So, are we too late to get in on the action? Fidelity says not. They believe that the foundation is being laid for a new kind of financial system, one that's more decentralized, more secure, and more accessible than ever before. And if you're thinking about getting into Bitcoin, now might be the time to consider it. But don't just take my word for it. As always, we'll be keeping an eye on this story and bringing you updates as more information becomes available. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Bitcoin Bulletin.